this point. I'm going to take this, clean up these edges, make sure it fits where it's supposed to be. Good. A bit of trimming to do. Overall, good fit. Clean this off from the back of it. Grind it, clean it up. Yep. This stuff here is a pain in the ass to get off, but it's got to come off, otherwise the glue won't stick. It's like a sound deadening pad or something. That's why I make the big bucks. Trimming this up, making it as clean as I can. Pain in the ass. Just grabbing the primer, going around. What they don't show you in auto body school. If anybody's telling you this job's easy, they're lying. Or they don't do it. It's not easy. Let's see what we got. Sure. Accurate measurement here. Where the rust stops, I'm going to need to trim that area off. So basically, I'll be able to stuff it up in that channel right here. Do that. Cutting a chunk right out of this area here. areas. So I'm going to cut that out in these other areas, so that way where the rubber goes, it'll fit nicely up underneath that. Feel me? By the way, it's like 9 degrees out. It's okay. Right now I got it pretty trimmed up to where it's right up on there, pretty good in that hole. And last thing I'm going to do is clean up this a little more, do some final fitment tests, pre-drill a few holes, and then I'll get the glue ready. Glue that sucker right on there, and now I'm going to do that bottom area here. That's it. Keep going from there. Alright, the only thing I did now, I took the edges and hammered them down. Just a little bit on the edge. Give it a little bit of a fold. That way when I stuff it up under there, see if I can bring in closer. So when I stuff it, you can see, sorry, how to adjust. See how it's like that? Now it's fit. Perfect. That's pretty perfect. It's gonna go right in there, and then I'll tuck that up under that rubber. That'll work. One, at this point I just got a self-tapper in there, but I am ready to take this off, apply the glue, and get to town. First thing I'm going to do is pre-drill all the holes. This makes it easier. You don't want to apply the glues on the metal. this metal up around the edge more, where it's going to go under the rubber and get tucked in with the glue, and around the back a little bit more, up around there, just one quickie with a fresh wheel. It's got to have good grind marks in it for the glue to stick to keep well. So. There's a post that goes right where that mark is. Next, I'm going to get my glue ready. I like to grab a heat gun, heat this up a little bit. Makes it a lot easier to come through the gun. This is panel bonding adhesive. Believe me, this stuff dries up. It's strong, stronger than a weld, so it ain't going nowhere once it's dry. Tomorrow. All right, I got the glue heated up. And that's just to make it come out of here a little easier. You never want to use the first batch that comes out of the tip, you know, because it's not mixed all the way when it goes through the stick. So now you just put it all along the edges where the bare metal is. And you got plenty of work time, so you don't need to rush this part. You don't need a lot of it, but you do want a nice amount. You don't need to put it on the part where there's no metal, which is all around that area. So, but what I like to do is just put it on there and then grab my squeegee. Squeegee around it. You basically have it, and I just like to do this. That'll help it from rusting. Give it something that underneath there's like a ridge, and that'll give that somewhere to sit and glue to. So I'll let that sit for a second while I come up over here. Do this. Nice down the post. I like a little bit of the welding because it also helps from rotting out in the future. Just overall comes out better. Walk real quick. Alright. So now I'm just going to basically plop this thing on there and screw it back in right into the screws. And that's it. Pretty much. You just let it dry. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. It's all glued on there. Just running some screws in. After I'm done that, I'll take my finger and swipe this around, clean up the edges, and you'll see it when I get a little bit farther. That's all I got for today. Hope you enjoy this little project, but it's fucking hot, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.